Morning, everybody. Our first card is talking about someone or a situation that is leaving our lives. We are going to receive clarity in these situations. There's a lot of chatter on the news and from people all around you, but you are choosing to be in peace. um, you are getting the strength to deal with the changes and situations that are happening in your life, but you need to control your anger or you will be sorry. There is a chance meeting with a stranger that could be important, but there's temptation, you need to walk away. And we are getting warned about that for the last 2, 3 days. Stay aligned with your higher self and trust your intuition. We have got temporary problems that are causing us a little bit of anxiety and stress, but it's problems that can be resolved. You will be shown the way. You choosing love, and with that, you are going to have improvements. The number 555 card is here and it's change, and it wants us to allow change to lift you up and guide you forward. The unicorn spirit says it's okay to be different. You don't need to be like everyone else. You're perfect just the way you are. There's a lot of wrongs that are being made right in the universe, in the cosmos, in the world, and within our lives. We must nurture what we've got at our disposal now. Be in the now. Our fortune teller card says there is a time of great prosperity on the horizon. We must be careful of self delusion, and we must trust the sun is going to shine on us again, and we're going to have happiness and well being. Our loved ones say we must open our arms to receiving. The world is our oyster. Thank you all for listening. I love you all very, very much.